Take a look at King Stoic, a new YouTube channel started in 2024 making over $2,000 a month. And how about Bricks by Mind, another awesome YouTube channel making over $5,000 a month. Then there's Football H9 Studio making a whopping $12,000 a month. What do they all have in common? They're all faceless YouTube channel ideas you can start today. And those aren't even the best ones. It might sound too good to be true, but I'm here to tell you that it's not only possible but also easier than you think. In this video, I'll reveal the 3 hottest faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2024 that are primed for explosive growth and profits. These niches are helping people make thousands of dollars a month without ever having to step in front of the camera. Plus, I'll share my secret tools and strategies for finding trending topics, creating engaging videos, and monetizing your content. If you're ready to ride the faceless YouTube wave to success, keep watching. YouTube is one of the fastest growing social platforms. Between 2022 and 2023, this platform grew by 8%, reaching a global advertising revenue of $31.5 billion. The creators on this platform get an estimated 55% of the revenue that YouTube makes from advertisers. This means people are making thousands of dollars and sometimes even a living that's much better compared to their old 9-to-5 job by simply uploading videos to YouTube and monetizing the content. However, one of the major hurdles that a lot of people have been facing is the fact that we don't all want to show our faces on camera. There could be several reasons for this, but regardless of that, I've got some good news. If you browse YouTube for a while, you're sure to come across videos from what is known as faceless channels. There's a voice, graphics, and sometimes even background music. But the one thing that all of these channels share is the fact that you'll never see the face of the creator. As you can see, there are faceless channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. These channels aren't just posting content for no reason. They're on this platform to make money. Take a look at the stats for the channel Top Cars TV. According to Social Blade, this faceless YouTube channel is raking in up to $6,700 every month. Of course, these figures are based on a wide range in the RPM, but that's a lot of money. Then there's the channel Brightside, which is also a faceless YouTube channel with over 44 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, this channel is making up to $48,000 every single month. These statistics show you just how much potential lies in this type of channel. However, you need to understand the best faceless YouTube channel ideas before you decide to create your own. That's going to set you up for success from the very start. With the popularity of these channels, it's also becoming more competitive. Focusing on a celebrity, having music play in the background, offering meditation videos, and sharing funny or interesting clip compilations are no longer a good idea. These niches have become too saturated. That's why I did some digging to bring you the best faceless YouTube channel ideas in 2024. I'm going to share 3 specific channel ideas with you that haven't become as saturated. The earlier you enter one of these niches, the better your chances of making it big before they're too competitive. The first type of video is poker content. I'm not telling you to go out and play poker yourself. Instead, I'm giving you an idea for a faceless channel that can showcase a variety of topics related to poker, such as scenes from movies or perhaps clips of people cheating while playing a game of poker. These clips aren't too hard to get a hold of. With the right tools, you can quickly download clips and compile them into videos that you can then post on YouTube. There are several ways to take advantage of this. You could even create explanation videos. For example, Poker Bounty is a YouTube channel that focuses on all things poker. This channel is all faceless videos, voiceovers, and clips from poker stories and drama involving poker players. One video showing poker cheats caught on camera got nearly 4 million views. Then there's a video from the channel Poker Bear with clips showing how poker players were caught cheating. It got over 800,000 views. By the way, make sure to hit the subscribe button to join our community of aspiring faceless YouTube entrepreneurs. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about the latest trends, tips, and strategies for growing your channel and maximizing your profits. And while you're at it, leave a comment down below letting me know which of the 3 faceless YouTube channel ideas you're most excited to try out. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. If poker isn't really your style, then there are other options to consider. Another faceless YouTube channel idea that has been doing really well is the make money online industry. Now, the market has become a bit saturated, but one way to make sure your channel stands out is to find a unique entry point or perspective to focus on. There are several ways to target the make money online niche. The main idea is to ensure you're not too generic. If your channel focuses on making money online as a broad subject, then it's going to be hard to enter the market. However, let's consider whether you decide to pin down a more specific sub-niche like drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or digital product creation. It's easier to understand your audience in these cases. While poker content and videos that teach people to make money online are great faceless YouTube channel ideas, there's another one that I want to share. It's not as popular with creators as others right now, but the content that focuses on this niche is actually doing really well. What this essentially means is the niche is trending and taking off quickly, but the market isn't really saturated yet. The niche I'm talking about is called YouTube search. The niche basically involves looking for things that people are searching for online. The idea is then to create videos related to this content and get them to rank for those keywords. It might be a bit more tricky to get into this niche, especially since there are so many different things that people search for on a daily basis. One of the best faceless YouTube channel ideas you can focus on in 2024 is the YouTube search strategy, as I've just mentioned. However, finding ideas and keywords can be tough if you're just starting out. So I thought it would be a good idea to share some details about the best ways and tools you can use to actually find ideas. You first need to understand if you want to do a broad focus on various topics or rather niche it down while targeting keywords that people are searching for in that niche. One particularly great tool to use is Google Trends. Head over to trends.google.com and you'll immediately be shown some of the biggest trends on the Google search engine. At the top of this page, you'll notice searches that are really popular at the moment you enter the page. Just click on the Explore button to start exploring one of these trending topics or enter a keyword that you want to research. You'll be given details about where the keyword is popular, but you'll also see related content and specific phrases that people are searching for. Just be sure to set the filter to YouTube search instead of web search to see content that's directly related to what people are typing in on YouTube. Another tool that you can use is the YouTube trending page. This is going to show you exactly what videos are blowing up right now, and it can be a very valuable tool when it comes to finding ideas around which to plan your own content. You've done your research and have the perfect keyword and topic for a YouTube faceless video. What's the next step? How do you go from idea to video, and how do you ultimately profit? That's something I'd like to share with you as well in this video. First, you need to research the topic and get a script ready. You can easily head over to ChatGPT or Gemini. These tools can help you with your research and even generate a script for you. Tell the chatbot how long the script should be and give it any notes on what you expect. Then, get some stock photos, videos, or use a tool to create animations. The idea is to have images that are related to the topic you'll be covering in the video. Take these into an app like Canva or CapCut to make an arrangement that will become the video itself. You need to add music, sound effects, and potentially a voiceover to your content. For voice, you can either record yourself or use an app like 11 Labs to generate AI voiceovers. These are getting super realistic, so there's no need to worry about your videos sounding robotic. Heck, if you've made it this far, you've been listening to an 11 Labs AI voiceover this whole time. Just make sure to test out a few different voices to find one that your audience can really connect with. Once you have everything together, you can create the video and go ahead with the publishing. Again, you can use ChatGPT or another AI chatbot to help you come up with a great and catchy title, as well as to craft a description that will help the video rank. The final step is monetization, which you can do through YouTube's partner program or by promoting affiliate links or even your own product in the description section of your content. Faceless YouTube channels are trending really well in 2024 and will continue to do so. However, it's important to ensure you look for some faceless channel ideas and inspiration. That's going to help you understand how these channels work, why they're doing so well, and how you can also get in on this gold mine. The right niche is one of the most important elements, but so is keeping up with trending searches and keywords. The combination of a good niche and understanding what people are searching for is what can help you achieve a serious level of success. So, start by considering different YouTube niches, understand how you want everything to come together, and recognize the role that keywords play when it comes to ranking your videos and boosting views. Once you've got your YouTube channel up and have some followers, see if you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. Remember that YouTube shares over half of its ad revenue with creators, so it's definitely a great way to earn on this platform. Don't limit yourself only to this option though, as promoting products as part of your content strategy can seriously boost your income. Now that you know the hottest faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2024 and how to capitalize on them, you might be wondering about the quickest and easiest way to create your videos. Well, I've got you covered in my video, Secret AI Tool that makes videos in 5 minutes. I reveal the game-changing tool that has revolutionized my content creation process. This AI-powered software allows you to create stunning, engaging videos in just a matter of minutes, even if you have no prior video editing experience. Click the video on your screen to discover how this secret tool can help you skyrocket your Faceless YouTube channel's growth and success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your content creation to the next level.